Now, we just went through looking at how to draw regular angles correctly, but all of those angles were within 360-degree rotation. These are large angles. That means that they're going to be more than one rotation. Anything over 360 is going to give you more than one revolution around the circle. So in order to figure out where to stop, you have to take groups of 360 and subtract them. So when you have a large angle that's positive, you're basically going to take your angle that they give you and subtract groups of 360 to figure out how many rotations it is. So 400 minus 360 is going to give me 40 degrees. What this indicates is I have to go a full rotation around. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go a full rotation around. That's 360. And then I have to go an extra 40. So an extra 40 would be like, I don't know, here. And this is what a 400-degree angle looks like. Again, you're moving counterclockwise around 360 plus whatever that extra is. For 625, we need to figure out how much more than 360 do we actually have to travel. So we have to take our 625 and subtract 360, and that gives us 265. So that means that I have to go a full rotation of 360. That means start here and go around the whole circle to 360. And then I have to go another 265. So I'm like going all the way around. 270 is here. 265 is pretty close. Like there. So there's my 360 right there. That's where I stopped my first circle. And then here's my 90, 180, almost 270. That's 265 more. Last one, 1,000. So what I'm going to do is I have to take 1,000 and subtract 360. 1,000 minus 360, and you can guess it. It's going to take 2. I just have to keep subtracting 360 until I'm at under 360, basically. So this is one full rotation. That doesn't get me to 360. This is another full rotation. That finally does. So this means that I need to go 2 full rotations. So I have to go around once. There's my 1. There's my 2. And then I have to go 280 degrees, which means I got to go all the way around. Here's 270. 280 is right here. Boom. Now, looking at where they end, where our terminal ray ends, that's kind of like the determining thing here to make sure that you know. So that this ends in quadrant 1. This is a quadrant 1 answer because it's 40 degrees more past one rotation. This one is a quadrant 3 angle. And I know it's quadrant 3 because I have to go all the way around the first time. And then I'm going another 265 degrees, which lives in quadrant 3. This one, I have to go around 2 full times. 1, 2. And when I'm done with those 2, I still have to go 280 degrees, which is a quadrant 4 angle. This is where we end up as far as 280 is 10 degrees past that 270 mark. So boom, that's where that goes. So this kind of gives you an idea of how to draw angles that are positive moving in a counterclockwise direction.